Hi all, Dr. Sendil here. I hope everybody is waiting for the appraisal for the last financial year. So this video is very important. If you are an hard-working guy and think you will get promotion over the other candidates who does not work hard, you may be wrong. It is ironical, but it is an harsh reality. Why? No one will ever tell you this. If you are hardworking, it is extremely difficult for your bosses to find your replacement. And in most of the cases, to save the business loss, they stop your growth or promotion as they cannot find another hardworking chap like you. So the number one question which runs in your mind is, what do I do if I am hardworking and I am stuck on the same role for a long time with a fake growth promise? What the reminder, guys, the best jobs of the world does not go to the best peoples. It goes to those peoples who brand themselves and communicate and share their stories. The next question, how to brand yourself? First, learn how to communicate effectively. No one was ever able to build a brand without having the capacity to communicate effectively. Remember, you have a limitless potential, but it is your definition of your potential which is defined by your bosses. My friend, you need to rethink. Don't shy away in sharing about your story with the world. Don't shy away in accepting that you can always improve your communication skills. Your hard work, your knowledge, your skills will be useless if people don't know you outside your job. Start today. Start sharing about you, your story with others. And message me if you want to know how to do that. Thank you.